Help, that husky is trying to fly, I am dying.
Shh.
Wait for it, this legend is stuck in the Matrix, I need him. Hey, that kitten is dancing, I can't even.
Your brother. Do not hurt your brother. Joseph? Joseph? Do not.
Listen, the doggo regrets everything, cuteness overload. Ha, this criminal is acting crazy, what a meme. Oh my god, the boss is dancing, too cute.
So Horus is chasing Copernicus. I think he wants to.
Wait for it, that husky has 0 brain cells, pure chaos. Dude, this legend is speaking fluent alien, insane.
Hello, Phoenix.
Holy smokes, this animal is trying to fly, my brain hurts. Help, my neighbor's dog needs a factory reset, too wholesome.
Stop.
Oh my god, my spirit animal is plotting revenge, totally relatable.
Você check u redu na mesa? Pa ja sam fascinirana, Bože što su jedan.
Bro, that dog is possessed by a demon, FBI open up. Ha, that good boy is training for the Olympics, insane. Bro, the doggo is vibing too hard, send help. No way, my neighbor's dog just saw something. FBI, open up. Holy smokes, this kitty is vibing too hard. Cuteness overload.
Come on. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Good boy.
Wait for it, this little guy chose violence today. What is going on?
What is wrong with these cats? Like bro, like bro, like bro, like bro, like...
No way, that kitten is broken. I am dying.
Toby. Hi.
Maybe I am. Am I the villain? I don't think I'm the villain.
Help, that husky is dancing. I am dying. Check this out, this potato regrets everything. Same bro, same. Okay, but that dog is questioning reality. Insane.
Whoa. Hello.
Hey, this criminal is fighting a ghost. So funny. Yo, the doggo was possessed by a demon. Same bro, same. Holy smokes, the chunky boy is lagging. Send help. Look at, this kitty has 0 brain cells. Too cute. Okay, but the doggo is lagging. Emotional damage.
I don't know. I feel like it's kind of mean to keep them inside for their whole lives. But that's
Кто это у нас тут прибалдел, а? Что это за ушастик такой? Ну, покажись, ушастик. Оп, белочка. Что ты, белочка? Балдёжница.
I swear, this absolute unit just failed physics class, 10 out of 10.